Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say
Saudade is a Portuguese word describing a deep emotional state of nostalgic longing for someone or something that is absent. It often carries feelings of love, loss, and sweet memories. It's considered untranslatable in a single English word. Saudade, 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 saudade. Saudade.
Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.